When drones aren't busy blowing up stuff in places you've never heard of, they can actually be used for good. Welcome to Marvin Breaks Down. Today I break down how drones will save us all. You see them everywhere now. Parks, grocery stores, libraries, your bathroom. When Amazon suggested drone delivery in 2013, I thought, can't we just shoot them down and steal the packages? Drones are more than just racing or spying on your neighbors, or pets, or ex-girlfriends. Yeah, you enjoy that photo shoot with him. I miss you. Drone taxis. With traffic congestion soaring all over the world, companies are looking to the sky as an alternative means to get people from point A to point B faster. Unless point B is the dentist. That's where I get floss shamed. Companies such as Airbus, Boeing, Bel Air Taxi, and the Chinese company Ehang are all developing drone taxi technology. The Ehang 216 drone taxi was recently presented in Vienna, Austria. Yes, Austria, also known as Australia. It can carry 2 passengers and travel a distance up to 35 kilometers or 21 miles at about 60 miles an hour. With over 1,000 test flights, it'll be the first one to come to market. So when the zombie apocalypse happens, order a drone taxi to take you from San Francisco to Fresno, because we all know zombies hate Fresno. I take that back, I'm sorry. Everyone hates Fresno. Before we continue, today's question is, which will be the first country that will allow for drone taxis? A, the US, B, United Arab Emirates, C, Japan, or D, New Caledonia? Yes, that is a country. Delivering food. So when will we see drones delivering pizza, you ask? Well, that's already started to happen in Iceland. Yes, Iceland. Who knew this country of 4.3 million people and no McDonald's? Monsters. Of course, they're the best known for mining Bitcoin and being in the movie Walter Mitty. And that's really it. I really can't think of a single reason why anyone would go there. Can you? If you do, put it in the comments or don't. Because of Iceland's uneven terrain, a delivery service called AHA or AHA or AHA, I feel they could have done better with the name. They've partnered with Flytrex and started food delivery by drone in August of 2018. A drone company named Flirty has also tested delivering Domino's pizza with a drone in New Zealand, or Middle Earth for those still living with their parents in their 30s. Hashtag Lord of the Rings. Google, which knows you're watching this, has a drone company called Wings, and they have been testing out delivery of food and other goods more than 3,000 times in Canberra, Australia. Google Wings also tested in 2016 drone delivery of Chipotle burritos at Virginia Tech University for a week, but they had to abruptly stop because people were getting too many STDs. Uber Eats, a company owned by Uber. If you haven't heard of Uber, here's a quick rundown. They are a rideshare taxi service that everyone hates and loses $2 billion a year. So these financial geniuses tested the idea of drones delivering food in 2016 in an event in Dallas. And it's been widely reported they plan to begin drone food deliveries by 2021. I wonder if they'll ever deliver a profit. You might ask how food delivery will save us all. And here's a quick rundown. They'll reduce road congestion, reduce carbon dioxide, reduce traffic deaths delivered to the elderly and disabled, and deliver food during a natural disaster. Firefighting. In the US, fire departments are using commercial drones and installing specialized cameras able to read thermal signatures. This helps fire teams see where the hotspots are in buildings. They'll give them spotlight in dark conditions, and they are significantly cheaper than manned helicopters in search and rescue situations. The Aeronos company creates drones that can have water hoses attached to them and fly to combat fires in tall buildings and warehouses. Delivering medical attention. Imagine getting bit by a venomous snake in the Amazon, or going into anaphylactic shock because of a peanut allergy, or having a heart attack while running at a lake. Because face it, 90% of heart attacks occur by lakes. So never go running and avoid lakes at all costs. Drones are capable of delivering medicine, blood, and even a defibrillator. Drones are able to reach places faster than traditional methods. UPS, along with Sci-Fi Works, tested delivery of an inhaler from Beverly, Massachusetts to Children's Island, which is 3 miles off the Atlantic coast. UPS is also working with Matternet to deliver medical samples in North Carolina at Wakemead hospitals. In Rwanda, Zipline has already set up a drone blood delivery system that can have blood delivery to any hospital in the country within 15 to 50 minutes. The American Medical Association published an article that suggested that drones be used to deliver defibrillators. The idea is whomever makes the call in the medical emergency can be directed over the phone how to work the defibrillator once it's been delivered. A test case in Sweden showed that drones always arrived faster than the EMS, and the median time for drones was just over 5 minutes versus 22 minutes for the EMS. The concept of drone ambulances have been considered, which would airlift the patient and the medical personnel directly from the crash site. However, the cost of such a device is considered to be out of reach for most hospitals. Before we get to the end, let's answer today's question. Which country will be the first one to allow for drone taxis? If you answered C, Japan, then you were wrong. Water rescue. Already being tested in Australia, companies like Microdrone and Little Ripper have created drones that assist lifeguards on the beach by flying ahead and dropping a flotation device in the water. In certain test cases, the drone can reach the swimmer 3 times faster than a lifeguard. Drones can also be flown up and down the coastline to allow lifeguards to spot riptides and sharks. Yes, sharks. The Little Ripper now has artificial intelligence to look for sharks. I wonder if we can program them to look for things other than sharks. So that's it for today's episode of Marvin Breaks Down. If you like that and would like to see some more, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.